Alright, so basically I'm back. So I'm just going to take the head apart and go from there. I've already loosened all the bolts on the main cam caps. So I'm just going to start by taking those off. Excuse the camera. My girlfriend's first time doing this, so gotta excuse the video feed footage. Keep it right there. So I'm taking everything apart, keeping it organized. So I just like to work like that, and so I can put everything back where it goes. So I'm gonna get a rubber mallet so I can get these caps off. You can see how these things are stuck on here. I've never had them on this tight before. That's crazy. So what happens when you don't take care of your engine. The motor in my race car is so clean inside you can eat off of it. I've never seen personally an engine of mine this dirty, so I'm not used to this. This is really tight. Might have to use a flathead or something to pry this off a little bit, because this stuff is really stuck on here. There we go. Alright, so got all the cam caps off. Take the cams off. Actually, I think I forgot to take off the back part of the cam gear cover. So, see if I can do this all at once. And I can. Boom. Alright, so there it is. A little struggle, but I got it done. Look at this engine. This looks like a freaking dumpster. That's disgusting. This is horrible. So this head has to come off. Got to come off. And I'm going to send it to the machine shop, get it all cleaned up. And while it's out, I think I'm going to do some upgrades in the head. Go with some new valve springs, new valves, and possibly might upgrade the cam. So I might just put those cams in my Civic Type R motor and put some upgraded cams in the Integra Type R motor. So I think that's going to be the plan for the head upgrade. Thinking of going with some rocket motor cams like I have in my race car. I really like those cams. They make good power, good torque. So I'll probably go with the same cams. So I'm gonna cut the video right now because I know my girlfriend's getting tired of holding the camera. So I'll continue to take the head off.